Is it your opinion that Mr. Chauvin's knee in any way impacted the structures of Mr. Floyd's neck?
No, it did not.
You also, in reviewing the videos, you see that he has 2 feet on the ground with the exception of one small moment?
Yes, that was what I did actually see in the video.
So what portion of Mr. Chauvin's weight was transferred onto Mr. Floyd's body?
He's using a single knee technique through the greater majority. His other knee is either on the bicep area or on close to the left chest wall. So single knee tech, it's going to be less than 23%. But even if he applied both knees, which he would have transferred 23% of his body weight. For a 140-pound person, that would be between 30 and 35 pounds.
Less than 225 pounds from the
Yes.
laboratory experiment.
Yes.
So in terms of, let me ask you this first. In terms of the placement of Officer Chauvin's, knee to Mr. Floyd, that Mr. Chauvin's knee in any way impacted the structures of Mr. Floyd's neck?
No, it did not. None of the vital structures were in the area where the knee appeared to be from the videos.
Now, again, in terms of your death investigations, you've reviewed photographs, you've reviewed the autopsy photographs, things of that nature, correct?
Yes.
Were any signs of, generally speaking, do signs of injury play into your analysis as to the cause of death?
Yes.
How so?
Well, you make an observation of, such as in this particular case, of a knee providing force to a particular part of the body, and then you go and you look at the same part of the body to see whether or not you can find corroborating evidence within the body itself, either an abrasion to the skin, subcutaneous hemorrhage, hemorrhage into the muscles, or other injuries that may be caused by the knee.
And what injuries did you observe in the photographs of Mr. Floyd?
All of his injuries were in areas where the knee was not. In other words, they were on the front of his body, his face, his places where he was restrained, but there was absolutely no evidence of any injury on the skin to the subcutaneous tissue or the deeper structures of the back or the neck.
Were there any broken bones, spinal injuries, anything of that nature?
There were no broken bones documented. I did not see a description of the spinal cord in the autopsy report, but given that there was really no external evidence of the area, the muscles around the spinal column, I would be very surprised if there was any spinal cord injury in this particular case.